and fully automatic winding machines. Our experienced R&D team provides you with the best technical solutions. Our products must undergo reliability testing in the laboratory. We continuously optimize every production process. We've developed thousands of tooling fixtures. Traditional inductors wound with large diameter copper wire are still our hot-selling products. The difference is that we have upgraded their performance. We operate in strict accordance with vehicle